The Basics of YouTube SEO 2020. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the gatekeeper to your content. And optimizing your YouTube channel for search is necessary to attract traffic and grow subscribers. YouTube SEO involves numerous steps, including optimizing your channel, playlists, metadata, and the videos themselves. You can optimize your videos to search both within and outside of YouTube. More on that later. Welcome to Videos Ideas, and this video on the Basics of YouTube SEO 2020. We put out how-tos, tips, and guides to ensure your YouTube success. Subscribe to our channel and share a comment with your questions and feedback too. A key component to YouTube SEO is harnessing the power of your video's text in the form of transcripts, closed captions, and subtitles. Remember, with the right SEO, your video might end up at the top. With new policies and updates to the algorithm, a YouTuber needs to follow the trends and try to stay abreast with modern standards. This video was made with the latest updates in mind. Importance of keyword. On any social media platform where you're a seller, you need a keyword. Whether you've already posted your videos to YouTube or you haven't even pressed record yet, creating a focus keyword for each video will really help your rankings. Fact: all search engines work by matching the user's search term with the most relevant results, and YouTube is no different. If you're jazzing up old YouTube videos, re-watch them and try to pinpoint the main topic. Ask yourself, what is the focus of this video? What is the keyword? For any future videos, it would be easier if you choose a keyword before you start. That way, you can use a keyword research tool such as vidIQ or TubeBuddy to help you find the most popular search terms to use. Keywords and keyword phrases should correspond with A. What describes your video accurately, and B. The words and phrases that users enter in search engines to find content like yours. For example, if you publish videos about makeup tutorials, make sure you optimize the title, descriptions, and tags for the phrase makeup tutorial. Keep in mind, search engines have wisened up to keyword stuffing, the practice of overusing keywords and variations of keywords to try to hack the system. Don't bother with that. Write for humans, not robots, or else you may get penalized. Use honest, relevant terms. Trying to ride trending topics irrelevant to your video content will only result in a negative score later for your channel. Optimizing your title. Once you've got your keyword, you can begin to use it to optimize your video in different ways to help improve your YouTube ranking. One of the simplest ways to do this is to include the keyword in your title. However, it is not enough to give you a huge SEO boost. Your title needs to be compelling. It needs to send a message to YouTube users that says, "Click me." A great way to do this is to promise something. Are you going to teach your viewers something? Are you going to entertain them? Let them know what they should expect or be excited about. Also, remember, on mobile devices, only the first 20 or so characters of your title are clearly visible. Description. In addition to optimizing your title, you also need to optimize your description. Now, while your title is mainly to catch the eye of potential viewers, you can get a little more in-depth with your description. YouTube displays the first 125 characters of your description, but it is a good idea to write around double that, aiming for 250 if you can. YouTube also recommends that you put the most important keywords towards the beginning of your description. In 2020, these are bold in search results. Of course, it's not all about the algorithm. Your viewers will be reading this too, so make sure to keep their engagement in mind. Tags. Tags are for YouTube's reference only, so your viewers won't see what you include. Feel free to add as many variations of your keywords and search terms as you can think of. Notice that they don't need to be super specific. There are two popular tools for YouTube, vidIQ and TubeBuddy. Among many other features is keyword rank tracking. And this allows you to find out the search ranking for different tags so you can use the best ones for SEO. You'll learn about volume of search and competition, how many other creators are trying to rank for the same as well. Your script. You should say your target keyword in your video. Your targeted keyword should appear in your title, description, tags, and in your transcript. YouTube uses your transcript and captions to rank your video accordingly. Just make sure that you are including an accurate transcript, as you wouldn't want YouTube's auto captions to botch your keyword. An easy strategy to find a keyword for your video is to use YouTube's Search Suggest. Simply type a word or phrase into the search bar and see the suggestions that YouTube offers. These are the terms that people are searching for. Ranking on Google. As we've learned, Google prioritizes video in search results. But if your video lacks the appropriate metadata, it won't be able to prioritize it. Some creators suggest adding chapters or timestamps in your descriptions to improve ranking. This not only boosts rankings in YouTube, but helps Google rank your results as well. Video length. Start making longer videos and keep people watching. Despite popular belief, longer videos actually outperform short ones when it comes to YouTube. In fact, YouTube actually uses total view duration as a ranking factor. It makes sense if you think about it. The longer you watch, the more engaged you are, the more likely you are to watch more videos, and the more likely you are to see the advertisements. Watch our video on how to rank on YouTube in 2020 for more information about retention rate. This was the Basics of YouTube SEO 2020, and you're watching the Videos Ideas channel. We have incredible videos such as how to grow your YouTube channel in 2020, so be sure to click through to that now. Subscribe to Videos Ideas for inspiration, tips, ideas just for your niche, and more. Drop a comment and share your questions or thoughts as well. We feature our favorites.